Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our lesson, let us recite 5 surah. The first one, Surah Al-Fatihah. The second one, Surah Toha ayat 1 hingga 5. And then Surah Al-Inshirah, Surah Quraish, and Surah Al-Ikhlas by 3 times. After that, selawat ke atas Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam selama 2 minit. Dan kita niatkan selawat kita ni yang pertama untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, kedua untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, dan yang ketiga untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah di akhirat kelak. Dan kita niatkan juga segala bacaan hafalan surah kita ni dan selawat kita ni untuk kedua orang tua dan seluruh umat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Kemudian doa sebelum belajar. Semoga dengan amalan ini akan membuka pintu hati para pelajar untuk mencintai ilmu dan mendapat ilmu yang berkah. Amin.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم طه ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى إلا تذكرة لمن يخشى تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى الرحمن على العرش استوى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. 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 محمد اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل 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 محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmat-Mu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmat-Mu, wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku, dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we will discuss about word problems involving calculation with whole numbers 1.1.7. So can you please get ready with your notes page 14 and your worksheet page 12 and 13. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to solve multi-steps problems involving calculation with whole numbers, and these word problems you're already familiar since your primary level. So we just take this chance for you to experience the other way how the question asks you when involving problems with whole numbers, right? Steps to success. First one, read and circle important information. You don't have to rewrite the important information. You just need to circle to save time. The second one, identify and circle key questions, what the question want. And the last one, solve the problems. Please copy this down in your notes. Now, let's start with example 30. I give you 1 minute to try. Okay, now two classes are combined to do a singing performance. The first class has 26 students and the second class has 22 students. If the students will then be split into four singing groups, how many students will be in each of the groups? Alright? Now, the first class is 26 students, the second class is 22 students. So the total together will be 48. Alright? Then this will be your step 1. And then we're going to split this 48 into 4 groups. Therefore, we need to divide. Okay? We divide that 48 into 4 groups and then each group should be 48 divided by 4 and the answer is 12. And therefore, the number of students in each group will be 12. Okay? And this will be your second step. And your final answer is 12. Next, example 31. You try first 1 minute from now. Okay, there are 30 bicycles and 10 cars parked in the parking lot. Each bicycle had two wheels, and each car had four wheels. How many wheels are there in total? So one bicycle we have two wheels. If 30 bicycles, it will be 60 wheels. Okay? And one car we have four wheels. And if 10 cars we have 40 wheels. Please copy this down in your notes. You don't have to draw anyway. Okay? Just this one in your notes. And then how many wheels are there in total? Therefore, the total wheels 60 plus 40 and the answer is 100 wheels. Example 32. 1 minute to try. Okay. If there are 6 egg cartons that are filled with eggs and there is a seventh egg carton that has 7 eggs, and as you can see here, we have the edge here. So this is ordering. That means the position 7. The egg carton in position 7 has 7 eggs. How many eggs are there in total if each egg carton holds 12 eggs? Each egg carton holds 12 eggs. And you can draw to illustrate the problem. Here I put the pictures of 12x in one carton. So we have 6 cartons and here. And then the position of 7 carton, we have only 7x. When we total here 12 times 6 carton, we have 72x, and the 7th carton we have 7x. Total x equal to 72 plus 7, and 79x will be your final answer. The last example before we stop. 1 minute to try. Okay. If there are 3 classrooms that each have 25 desks and there are a total of 87 students, how many more desks need to be added to a 4th classroom, the class in the position of 4, that was originally empty, so that each of the students has a desk to sit in, right? Now, for the 3 classroom, each of them we have 25 desks, okay? And here we already have 75 desks for 75 students. And here we have 87 students. So how many more desks that we need in the 4th class? Now, how are we going to do this? How many more is the keywords for subtraction? Therefore, 87 minus 75, and the answer is 12. And the final answer for this example 33 will be 12 desks. Okay, this will be the last part for our session. Complete your notes and your worksheet. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And we end our session by reciting doa.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.